Just Boom Tracks has been designed as a subwoofer sweetener when mixing in 5.1 surround sound. The collection contains more than 250 tracks, specially designed to provide dramatic subsonic impacts and underscores. In addition to a host of sounds drawn from real life, Just Boom Tracks also offers sci-fi and fantasy tracks, a set of low-frequency oscillator tones, and a selection of musical synth accents for your low-frequency toolbox. Just Boom Tracks from Sound Ideas. Get ready to rumble.